Okay, good night. Good night. Close your eyes. Go to sleep. You're awake already? Oh, good night. Good night. No, we're not really going to sleep. You're not really sleeping. It's not bedtime yet. Okay, lay down. Lay down and I'll cover you. Lay down. Okay, good night. Oh, you're awake. Oh, you are too. Good night. Good night. Close your eyes. He's awake. He's awake too. Okay, good night. Go to sleep. Close your eyes. Say good night. Do you need help? Okay, lay down. Okay, good night. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Go to sleep. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Close your eyes. Oh, he's awake. Good night. Ew. Go get a towel. Go get a towel. Wipe your hands. Oh, time to wake up. Time to go to sleep. Time to wake up. Time to go to sleep. Time to wake up. Time to go to sleep. Time to wake up. Time to go to sleep. Christopher's going to sleep. Good night, Christopher. Can you wave bye? What do you say? Please, Mom. Blanket, please. Good night. He's awake. Okay, good night. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Go to sleep. Close your eyes. Going night-night? How do you say night-night? How do you say good night? How do you say sweet dreams? Okay. Can you blow kisses? Go. Mwah. Oh, good job. Okay, blow more kisses. Go. Mwah. Can you blow kisses, Tyler? Can you blow kisses? Go. Mwah. Yeah, blow kisses to Tyler. Can you give Tyler a kiss goodnight? Give Tyler a kiss goodnight. Oh, good job. Give another kiss goodnight. Oh, good job. Okay, good night. Can you wave bye? Wave bye. Oh. Wave bye to the camera. Oh, goodbye, Tyler. Can you wave bye? Good night. Okay, close your eyes. Go to sleep.